What's up, Burritos? Wagwan YouTube. Welcome one and all to another countdown quickie. Now, this is where I give you a nice little synopsis of what is trending, what is going on right now, before and in between the social media countdown. So if you haven't checked out the recent social media countdown, please go check it out there. But today, it is all about talking about Mavado and his son. Now, some time ago, we heard that Mavado's son was involved in some crime, in some little incident, and no same day at jail now, but people and Mavado supporters were hoping for the best. Now, according to the headline, things are looking very, very bleak for the young man. Now, it says Mavado's son found guilty of murder. Wow. Oh wow, let me just get into the story according to the Jamaica Gleaner. Now it says Dante Books. Why am I saying Dante Books? Dante Brooks, the teenage son of Jamaican international entertainer Mavado, has been convicted of murder. Boy, this don't look good at all. It goes on to say Brooks, 18, was also found guilty of illegal possession of firearm and arson in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. Now, his co-accused, Andre Hines, was also found guilty. No, it go on now for detail exactly what happened. It said the two were arrested and charged in connection with the home invasion killing of Lorenzo Thomas in the St. Andrew community of Cassava Peace on June 5, 2018. So 2 years ago. I can't believe time really, really fly. And if you don't know Cassava Peace, that is Mavado's place. So it goes on to say that prosecutors led evidence that Brooks and Hines were among 5 men who entered the house and shot Thomas before pushing his father into another room. No, this coming like a something on sci-fi pan where they show him again Law and Order. You know the little first part of Law and Order, and like when you see them look something upon solving crime pays. Like no man, this is very, very boy. It says Thomas's killers attempted to sever his head but aborted that plan because the machete was too dull. They then poured gasoline on the house and body before setting them on fire. Wow, wow, wow. Prosecutors relied on eyewitness testimony of Thomas's father, who indicated that he knew his son's killer from the community. Brooks and Hines have been remanded into custody and are to be sentenced on March 10. Wow, wow, wow. When I hear this, I can only imagine, how Mavado is feeling. Because, some Mavado, him have a checkered past. He's been through some stuff. And he see, he's managed to kind of take himself out of the gutter. Well, boy, interesting choice of words. Out of the gutter and to, more greener shores. And he seems to be doing stable and in his career and all of these things. So it is very unfortunate that while he was able to save himself from that monster that is called crime and violence, that he wasn't able to rescue and to free his son. No, this happened when his son was 16 years old. A little youth, 16, reach age of consent, all of them look something there. He's supposed to be living his best life now. Well, I don't know what kind of best life because COVID just kind of spoiled all of that. But he's supposed to be at a stage now where he should be just vibing with his friends and enjoying his youth. And now he has a pending sentencing. Now he's wondering how many years will he serve in prison, like all of these things, because because of this wrong decision, this wrong choice. We can't always argue whether or not we feel him to do it or maybe him never to do it. But all of us can definitely kind of agree and just work with say, he was definitely probably, involved in some sort of badness that he shouldn't have been in. Whether it be by bad company or just, his own actions guide him down a really harmful path. This is really sad. So, I'm pretty sure some of Mavado right now is torn up because at the end of the day is his child. And is now a young man now. He's 18-year-old. So I don't even know what he's thinking about, contemplating about how he's trying to rewire his life. Hopefully he has made some sort of peace with what has been happening. It's been 2 years, so hopefully he's been having conversation with his father and getting some sort of comfort, because at the end of the day sometimes you do some bad big people things, but when you're in these real life situations, you're going to just be reminded that you are a child at heart. You still need that love from a father and that guidance from somebody that will tell you that everything is okay. So Burritos, when you're listening to this right now, let me know what do you have to say to Mr. Brooks, Mr. David Brooks right now. when I forgot to say, when you think about this, do you think this is Mavado's contribution? Do you think there's anything he could have really done to prevent his son from, getting down to a life of crime and becoming, a young person in prison? Like, I really want to hear. I'm really kind of upset about it, man, because about the Mavado and the Cartel thing, that they are rivals, and Cartel, they behind bars now. Mavado end up behind bars, him escape, but then his son is there, so it just kind of feel like, either way, some way, shape, or form, is that these dancehall artists will be, incarcerated. I don't know what is happening. It is just so sad. I really feel it, because this youth, maybe him could have, him could have turned a new leaf if they just have better choice in friends and just have some different type of guidance. But we just a hope. We just hope maybe the whole of this thing is just some little makeup things. We just hope. Me I try to play devil's advocate and just hope, say, maybe I'm just innocent and everything will just work out in at the end, and he will just be on the right path. And that is all me for say, readers. Let me know what you think about this. Mavado's son is now being sentenced for murder. He's only 18 years old. His name is Dante Brooks. Whew. Well, that is it for this countdown quickie burritos. If you enjoy the discussion, let me know what you think down below. Please to leave a comment, like the video, share it as well. That is it, people. Boy, there's something just kind of upset my whole entire mood right now. But that is it, man. Leave a comment. Until next time, when I'll be doing another countdown quickie.